Hello YouTube, Gold Silver Strength here, and today we'll analyze whether or not AMD stock is too expensive to purchase right now. And for this video, we'll just analyze the price action, and before you invest or trade your hard-earned money, you should definitely look at a comprehensive view of the entire stock. Definitely check out the fundamentals, check out whether or not buyers or sellers dominate the market at the time, etc. And from the daily perspective, we can see that there is a lot of bullish momentum for this stock for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. It has been on an absolute tear, making higher highs practically almost each day, with its highest high of $78.95. Could it approach $100 or even higher? I don't see why not, but at the same time, that's only one side of the equation. I think it's best we look at the monthly chart and see what type of patterns AMD stock has been doing in the past, and see if it can predict or even forecast something that's going to happen in the near future. So let us go to the monthly chart. And as you can see, for the month of July, on an absolute tear, literally a big candle straight up. And price action wise, any candle that makes this sudden rapid price jump has a likely probability of making one straight down, or it could still go straight up. But again, you have to weigh that risk reward ratio for yourself. So let's go back in time to see how the stock performed. So from the 1990s, you can see that AMD stock traded sideways for a little bit, then hit on a massive bull run for 1 year. Afterward, it chopped sideways for a few months, very briefly. Then it literally plummeted for the next 3 years after that. That would be the end of 2003. It didn't really consolidate. It went straight back up. A very uncharacteristic thing for stock trading to do. Usually it goes up, settles, goes back down, settles again, but right after selling it, went on another bull run, and then followed by another crash right after. This would be the 2008 financial crisis. Then it sort of chopped sideways a little bit, what we would expect normally. And then from the last 3 years, an absolute tear upward. Compared to what is done in the past, these price action candles are very, very severe, very, very drastic. And for anyone looking at this, you should be excited, and you should also be a little worried at the same time, because sharp price action means there's a lot of volatility. You can make a lot of money, but you should also protect your cash at the same time. So let's see what's happening whenever AMD makes a sharp price action upward. So in 2000, there was a big sharp candle right here that broke its previous highs right here, and it followed another sharp candle the next month, and then it chopped sideways, and then it fell back down. So it really only lasted about an extra month of bullish momentum. Then it chopped sideways a little bit, and it went straight back down. And another instance of this where there was a sharp candle upward was right here in 2006. One sharp candle upward, but it didn't break any of its local highs right here from the previous couple of years. But regardless, it was a sharp and big candle upward. Then it just went straight back down. And there was no big candles similar to that until, you guessed it, what happened in the month of July. So what can we expect? We can expect one more candle upward. We can definitely expect it to chop sideways, or it can just reverse and give up all its gains right now. So from a price action standpoint, AMD looks as though it can still continue upward. There's still a lot of bullish momentum. It is very far away from the 9-day moving average according to the MA cross, and it could still definitely make potential gains. But at the same time, what happened in the past twice was that it chopped sideways a little bit, and eventually it would literally plummet 50% in the next couple months. So really, your risk for versus your potential gain for AMD is just not that great, depending on how risk averse you are. And in my opinion, you should definitely hold and wait and see what AMD does another month before you make a prediction, before you put your money in to AMD, whether long or short, for you to make money in the stock. So I hope this price action analysis helps you guys. In my opinion, you should hold off on AMD and see what August does to it. Even though it has a strong earnings in 2020, you should definitely still watch this price action graph, see what it's doing in respect to what's happening to the economy, etc. And that will conclude this video for AMD stock price action analysis. Thank you for listening. Are you tired of losing in trading and investing? Check out my videos where I do a bare bones analysis on just the price action. No fancy indicators, no gimmicks, just trend analysis and winning here. And I'll see you guys in the next video.